In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can get back multi-snap option on Snapchat in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So from your home page, firstly, to get this multi-snap option, you need to open this Play Store. If you are using iPhone, you can open App Store from there and simply search for Snapchat, and if it's showing here update option, firstly you need to update it. After updating Snapchat, if you open this Snapchat, you will be on this camera option. You have to click on your profile that's showing on left top side. It will open up this type of dashboard where you'll find this gear icon on right top side. Click here and scroll it down. In this feedback option, you'll find here this, I spotted a bug. Click on that and here it will show you these some of features where you need to open this camera option and simply type here, the multi-snap option is not showing on my Snapchat account. Please look into this problem and solve this issue. After writing it, click on this choose topic and select accessing the camera. You can also add attachment here to the screenshot of the problem that you are facing. And at the bottom side, it will show you this submit button. Click on this submit and after some hours, Snapchat team will get back to you and help you to fix this multi-snap option not showing on Snapchat in just few easy steps.